Did you know the way your kitchen is laid out can affect your health, energy, and even wealth? Let's break it down. Stove placement. Your stove is the heart of the kitchen. Don't place it next to the sink or fridge. Water and fire don't mix. It's best to have the stove against a solid wall for stability and good energy. Keep your kitchen away from the bedroom and bathroom. Kitchens should stay away from bedrooms. Fire energy can mess with your sleep. Also, avoid having the kitchen share a wall with the bathroom. That dirty energy can clash with the kitchen's fire energy. Don't let the kitchen door face the front door. If the kitchen door faces the front door, it can push out good energy and wealth. Add a screen or curtain to block the flow and keep the positive energy inside. Quick tip: a few simple changes in your kitchen layout can boost the energy in your whole home. Try it out and see the difference.